Hey guys, it's Fraser here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix the UAC error warning when you're installing XAMPP. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so thankfully this UAC error is a quick and easy fix. All that you want to do is go down to the search bar and type run, and then once you've opened up run, what you want to do is then type in msconfig, press OK, and then it will bring up this msconfig window here. So what you want to do is go to the tools tab, and then under the change UAC settings, you just want to click that and then press launch. This will bring up the user account control settings, and what you want to do is make sure that this is down at the bottom at never notify. So then you want to click OK, and this will save the changes. And then what you want to do is then press OK again. And then you can now press OK on the error warning because you have sorted that out. And then this will bring up the usual installation process. So that is you done, you fixed the UAC error warning. So thanks for watching the video. Please leave a like on it as it would help others find out how you fix this problem. And bye bye.